Let me see your face first. Tingnan, mata mo.
Wait lang. Already. Ayan na, 10 minutes before 12. Iso-surprise natin siya ng cake. And dahil 6 na siya, meron siyang 6 cupcakes. Let's go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Daddy, hawakan mo to, Daddy.
Hey. No, it's just a candlelights.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Sakit.
Yeah.
Oh, blow mo na. Nakatumasik sa akin.
Huwag mo na ano kasi magulo, hindi na mabagsak yan. Isa pa. Nakasan mo. Wish mo na. Wish mo na, baby. I wish. Dito.
Oh, mainit yan. Yay! Tignan mo to, nasira. Happy birthday! Tumutunog pala to.
Kahit na tumutunog yun, munti ka mo masira.
Munti ka pa tayo.
Okay na yung kandila hindi tumutunog, hindi masira yung cake. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Love you.
Love you. Ano masasabi mo sa cake mo? Eh, meron pa ako dito na ko.
Oh, good. Go, get the bike at the other room. Woo!
Here's your bike.
Get the bike.
I hear that.
Ha?
I just.
Ano mo?
Walang bike.
Just joking. I will buy bike, okay? If you want bike, I will buy bike. Okay? Love you. What will you say to... Dito ka. Shh, dito. Tingin mo nito. What will you say muna kay mommy? Dito, don't move. Stay. Don't move. What will you say to your mom?
Thank you, Ma.
How about your dad?
Thank you, too.
Ano?
Thank you.
And?
You.
Love you.
Love you. Yeah. I like this cupcake.
How about this candle?
Fake candle. Huwag mo na tapon yan.
Meron pa din isa.
Basta ano na lang.
Natanggol. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Baka matay. Happy birthday to you. Oh, wish mo na, wish.
Wish mo na. Wish. Go. Huwag na ako wish. Go. Saka, Audrey. Baka makakapasok. Go. Yay!
Yay! Happy birthday!
Thank you,